Hi, I'm Hemant Jha. I've been teaching history optional subject for the civil services examination for the last 20 years. And at the same time, I've been teaching several sections of general studies as well. I have been associated with numerous state-run institutions, mainly in the state capitals like Thiruvananthapuram, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, etc., which provide comprehensive pre-selection training program for the civil services aspirants. Over these years, I have taught thousands of aspirants, and in a different capacity, I would be saying, sometimes as a history teacher, sometimes as a teacher of general studies. And I have contributed to selection of more than 2,000 and a huge number among them being rank holders. Prep Ladder is a brilliant online platform for civil services exam. This platform caters to all the needs of civil services aspirants and in an all-encompassing way. Number one, it provides high-quality video lectures. Two, it provides massive question bank that represent model questions. Number three, it provides meticulously designed and higher standard test series, and it provides comprehensive support to their students. So I would be saying that Prep Ladder UPSC will provide you a student-friendly online platform. It will address all your demands that is related to your preparation. It will make your solo effort a shared effort, and it will benefit you the way you want. My video lectures would be available here, and those video lectures would be exactly in consonance with the standard what Prep Ladder UPSC endeavors to pursue. As a teacher, teaching civil services aspirants over many years, I've evolved several techniques, approaches, and methods. These have benefited the aspirants in an immense way, and I'll be using all these here at this platform as well. I name a few of them. Number one, teaching history on board with an entirely novel way. History to be taught not through delivering lectures, rather through depiction on the board. It creates a beautiful blend of the audio and video impact, and it improves the efficacy of learning. Number two, explanation of intricate issues and concepts through graphical representations, charts, diagrams, and tables. Number three, depiction of timeline. And timeline is a dominant theme in history. Sometimes it is said history is all about chronological development, and the proper comprehension of the chronological development is a hallmark or the essence of an effective preparation of history. So such depiction plays a very crucial role. I would say the truism of the preparation for the civil services exam today is creation of an amalgamation of the basic issues, the standard issues, and the relevant issues. If all these three issues are put together, only then we can create an effective package for civil services aspirants. And my plan is here to do this at this platform. Over the years, the pattern of the question of the civil services exam has been undergoing a change. This change is considerable. This change is substantial, sometimes abrupt and drastic as well. A significant facet of this change is that the conventional topics or the traditional topics have been losing their significance, and the non-conventional and non-traditional as well as the micro topics have been gaining importance. If you look at the question papers of the last few years, you will find that the dominant theme which occurs as the question in the examination is not conventional, rather non-conventional and micro. So this calls for a renewed focus, and my plan here is to make it our priority and to consider it as a primary goal. And here one more thing very important, a platform which can be considered as a platform providing one-stop solution. And I'm hopeful that the civil services aspirants will enjoy themselves a highly productive and pleasant learning at this platform, that is PrepLadder UPSC.